Hello guys, this video is for doctors and medical students only. If you can differentiate between heart murmurs, I will summarize it for you in less than 2 minutes. Okay, please bring your pencil and write with me. Cardiac murmurs can be classified into systolic murmurs and diastolic ones. Systolic murmurs are classified into ejection systolic murmur, pansystolic murmur, and late systolic murmur. Ejection systolic murmur mnemonics as الحاكم فلت زي الأسد بس الحاكم هكم hypertrophic obstructive cardiomyopathy fallot teratology زي in Arabic like as in English AS aortic stenosis الأسد ASD and BES for pulmonary stenosis. Okay, while the type 2 pansystolic murmurs as Mr. طارق فسد Mr. MR mitral regurgitation طارق TR tricuspid regurgitation فسد VSD ventricular septal defect, and the late systolic ones are inward camp CA coarctation aorta MB mitral prolapse, while the diastolic ones can be classified into two types, early ones and late ones. Early diastolic murmurs in the word of Birar PR pulmonary regurgitation, AR aortic regurgitation in mild cases, while the late ones in the word of Masar, MS for mitral stenosis, AR for aortic regurgitation in severe cases. If this video make benefit for you, please describe that in our comments and share it with your colleagues. Okay, thank you.